Exercise 3.4, question number 1. They are asking us to solve the pair of linear equations by elimination method and substitution method. So the first thing which is given there, the first pair of equations is x plus y equal to 5, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. In elimination method, what we are going to do is, we have to look at the equations and we have to eliminate one of the variables. You know that there are two variables. Out of that, we are going to try and eliminate one variable. Eliminate means removing, either by adding the equations or by subtracting the equations. So we are going to eliminate one variable. After eliminating one variable, we can find the value of the other variable. Then you are going to substitute that value in any one of the equations and find the value of the other one. Now, when you see these two equations given here, you can see that this y as a plus symbol, the coefficient as a positive symbol here, 1 as a positive symbol, and 3 as a negative symbol. So when you add easily, that will get cancelled. But the value here is 1 and the value here is 3. So to make the values equal, what we are going to do is, we are going to multiply the entire first equation by 3. When you multiply by 3, all the values there will get multiplied by 3. So we will have 3x plus 3y equal to 5 into 3, that is 15. Now, second equation can be written as it is one time. So 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Before I add, I want to explain something to you. By multiplying a constant to both the sides of the equation, the value is not going to change. If you are going to multiply by a value k both sides of the equation, then the value of the equation will remain unchanged. That is what we have done here. Now by adding both the equations, when you add, you will get 3x plus 2x is going to be 5x. Then this will get cancelled. So when you are adding 15 plus 4, you will get 9. So your x value is going to be 19 by 5. Now we have found our x value. We are going to find our y value. That we are going to do by substituting in any one of the equations. Let us substitute in first equation. We have x plus y equal to 5. X value is 19 by 5. So 19 by 5 plus y equal to 5. So your y value is going to be 5 minus 19 by 5. When you take LCM, you are going to have 25 minus 19 divided by 5. That is nothing but 6 by 5. Now we have found both the values. Your x value is 19 by 5 and your y value is 6 by 5. We have two equations, 3x plus 4y equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y equal to 2. By looking at the symbols, we can see that it is easy to eliminate y. First equation into 1 gives you 3x plus 4y equal to 10. To get the same values, I am going to multiply the second equation by 2. So we will get 4x minus 4y equal to 4. Now we are going to add both the equations. When we add, this will get cancelled. So we will get 7x equal to 14. X is going to be 14 divided by 7. X value is 2. Now we are going to substitute x is equal to 2 in any one of the equations and get the value of y. So the first equation is 3x plus 4y equal to 10. 3 into 2 plus 4y equal to 10. That is 6 plus 4y equal to 10. 4y is going to be 10 minus 6, which is nothing but 4. Then y value is going to be 4 divided by 4, that is equal to 1. Now we have found both the values. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Two equations are given: 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0. 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. Now first we will write them in the general form. 3x minus 5y equal to 4. And the second equation is 9x minus 2y equal to 7. Now when you see both are having positive symbols, coefficients are having positive symbols, here also both the coefficients are having positive symbols. So in this case you can take your own choice. Either you can eliminate x or y using the substitution method. I am going to eliminate y, but when I am eliminating y, the coefficients should be equal. So I am going to multiply my first equation by 2 to get 10 and my second equation by 5 to get 10, so that we will have 10 in both the cases. You know, this is our first equation rewritten, second equation rewritten. So we are going to multiply the first equation by 2. That gives you 6x minus 10y equal to 8. Then second equation multiplied by 5 will give you 9 into 5 is 45x minus 2 5s are 10, 10y equal to 35. Now since the symbols are changed same, you have to subtract them, only then the changes symbols will get changed and then you can subtract them. So we are going to subtract them. This will become minus, this will become plus, and this will become minus. This will get cancelled. When you subtract, you will get minus 39x equal to, when you subtract 8, you will get minus 27. So your x is going to be minus 27 by minus 39. Minus and minus will get cancelled. Both are divisible by 3 tables. 9, this is 13 times. So your x value is 9 by 13. We are going to substitute this in any one of the equations and find the value of y. So we have 3x minus 5y equal to 4. I am going to substitute the value there. 3 into 9 by 13 minus 5y equal to 4. That is 3 9s are 27. 27 by 13 minus 5y equal to 4. Taking the number to the other side, we will have minus 5y equal to 4 minus 27 by 13. Now taking LCM, this side it is 5y minus 5y. That side when you take LCM, 4 into 13, 4 3s are 12. So we will have 52 minus 27 by 13. Minus 5y is going to be equal to 52 minus 27 is going to be 25 by 13. When you take this minus 5 to the other side, you are going to have y is equal to 25 by 13 into minus 5. Now when you cancel 5 times, so your y value is going to be minus 5 by 13. Now we have found both the values. X is equal to 9 by 13. Y is equal to minus 5 by 13. They have given two equations, x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1, x minus y by 3 equal to 3. Now first we will bring them to the general form. For that I am going to take LCM here. We have x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1. Taking LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. 2 into 3 is 6, so multiply the numerator also by 3, we will have 3x. Then 3 into 2 is 6, so we are going to multiply numerator also by 2, so we will have 4y equal to minus 1. Taking the 6 to the other side, we will have 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. This is your first equation. Then when you consider the second one, I am going to write this as x by 1 because there is no denominator here. That means it has 1. So x by 1 minus y by 3 equal to 3. This is not necessary to write this one. I am just writing it for your understanding. Now when you take LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. 1 into 3 is 3, so multiply numerator also by 3, so we will have 3x minus y by 3 equal to 3. That implies 3x minus y equal to, take this 3 to the other side, then we will have 9. Now we have formed two equations looking like in the general form. So I will write both the equations here. We are going to have 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6, and the second equation is 3x minus y equal to 9. We are going to solve both the equations and find value of x and y. This is what we got after simplifying the first and the second equation. Now I am going to multiply my first equation by 1 because I am going to eliminate y. So first equation into y will give you the same thing, that is 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. Second equation I am going to multiply by 4 because I need 4y here for the y term to get eliminated. Then we will get 12x minus 4y equal to 36. Now when you are adding, you will get 15x, this will get cancelled, equal to 30. So your x value is going to be 30 divided by 15, that is equal to 2. Now we have found our x value. We are going to substitute in any one of the equations to find y value. We have 3x minus y equal to 9. 3 into 2 minus y equal to 9. 6 minus y equal to 9. Minus y is going to be 9 minus 6, that is 3. So y is going to be 3 divided by minus 1, that is minus 3. Now we have found both x value and y value. We will write the solution. X is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 3.